know why, but I know that his will isn't always done on earth as it is in heaven, because he tells us to pray that his will would be done on earth as it is in heaven. I know there's such a thing as the timing of God. I don't know if you ever thought about this, but when Peter and John went to pray and they met a lame man on the way and he healed them, the text there says he was put there every day. Every day he was there. We know in Jesus' ministry, not counting the times he was a baby and not counting the times he was 12 years old, but he was there at least 4 times in the temple. And if that man was put there every day, I mean, 2 of the times Jesus was going to go cleanse the temple. So he had other things on. But wouldn't that have been cool if he cleansed the temple and then healed the man, or if he healed the man and then go cleanse the temple? I think that would be cool. But God's smarter than me, and no, there was the timing of God is real. But too often we use that as an excuse not to draw closer to God. Too often we let God off the hook and we refuse to wrestle with him in that. Listen, there's such a thing as the timing of God, but never let that rob you